everybody, and welcome back to my channel and my March Plan With Me video. I am super excited to show you guys what I've been working on this month, which is some custom design stickers specifically for my bullet journal and your bullet journal. So as you know, I'm not super artistic. However, I find if I can, create a sticker on my iPad and then get that printed out and insert it into my bullet journal, not only will it save me time, but it actually looks pretty, well, a lot more decent than what I could actually create. So as per usual, I am starting my vertical calendar to start off my monthly spread. Here's the sticker that one of 4 stickers that I'm going to be using today. So these stickers are designed to either go on the edge of your page or down the center of your spreads to add a pop of color. They're all floral and green. This one has a hint of purple in it, which is really, really nice. And this sticker pack comes in a set of 3. I would recommend getting the sticker in the largest size possible. That way it can go the full length of your standard bullet journal. Mine's a Lake term, so if you have anything bigger, there was a little bit of overhang that I had to cut off, and if it's smaller, of course, you can get the smaller size stickers. So for my calendar spread, I do split up the weeks, and then I also create a little bit of a content tracker where I track what days I upload content and keep track of how and when I engage. This is the second sticker I have. This would be great for a title page if you use it. This is the smallest size that the sticker comes in, and it fits really nicely nestled into the top of my calendar here. Moving on across from my calendar spread, I always do a budget spread. I think it's very important to keep track of money, especially when you have some financial goals that you want to reach throughout the year. For example, I'm trying to buy a house this year, so keeping track of my savings are really important. On the left-hand side is where I keep all of my bills, which are, pretty standard every month. I don't have some crazy bills. And then on the right-hand side is going to be my savings and debt. Of course, I save for my 401k, my house, and then I have 2 credit cards that I like to pay off. And flipping on over to the next page, I have my usual standard spreads, which if you've been watching me, you totally know what they are. I am going to, of course, decorate the page by adding a second out of the 3 stickers on the sheet that it comes with. This sticker is, once again, very green. It's got some succulents, and it does have more of a masculine or gender neutral kind of vibe to it. It doesn't have pinks or purples in it, so it's gonna really, if you aren't into pinks and purple, this sticker set could still be used by you. For my rolling weeklies, which always goes on this side of my bullet journal spreads, I create another little box just to kind of accent the page, add a little bit of decorative flair. For the rolling weeklies, you label the days of the week across the top and then the dates underneath it, and then you can split it up by weeks. I really enjoy using a rolling weekly way to keep track of my tasks and to-do lists, because I'm not set on, okay, I have to do this day. I can really, it's a lot more fluid and a lot more forgiving for people who have non-standard schedules. On the next page over is going to be my brain dump, my mini calendar, my goals list. I think it's super important to keep track of your goals if you want to reach your New Year's resolutions, or if you have things that kind of fall through the cracks, like texting your friends regularly, including your friends who have moved away, or your family, or if you have to plan out content like me on my YouTube and my Instagram. Setting a goals and kind of reminders of what you do want to accomplish through the month is super important. Moving on, this is my new follower tracker. So for this, I'll list the days of the week and then my Instagram followers and my YouTube followers, because those are my 2 main social medias, on the next 2 boxes right next to it. I'm also leaving a little space for my taps, and then I'm going to label the days of the week down the side. As you can tell right there, I did mess up on numbering the days. I forgot to add that taps section, so that's what washi tape is for, right? You just cover it up, it's fine, nobody will be the wiser. And I think this is really important for you to keep track, well, for me to keep track of how well my content is actually doing and providing, equity in my business. So that's going to sum up my March plan with me video. I am super excited that you watched it this far. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm still trying to grow my channel, so anything you can do really helps. And until I see you guys again, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.